Welcome in, guys. Today I'm here to show you how to make some popular drum patterns. You know them drum patterns that you hear in them popular songs like Skipper, Malidan, Chronic Law, them kind of drum pattern here. I'm going to show you how to make some good drum patterns, and without wasting your time, let's get into it. Don't know. Alright, guys. Right now I have a piano, and what I did, I laid out two patterns. I laid out a dark melody, and I laid out something kind of emotional, something kind of sad. Something like Chronic Law would drop on. Yeah, so first off, we're gonna go with the dark piano, and I'm gonna show you how to make some good drums. Alright, guys, I'm gonna run the melody. Yeah, man, simple melody. And if you could listen, I haven't done anything on it, no mixing on the melody. This is not a melody tutorial, it's a drum tutorial. So let's get straight to the drums. And first, I'm gonna go with the I think I'll just go with the kick and the rim and the snare first, and let's lay out a pattern, and then we go with the rest out. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna start with a simple drum pattern. So let's run the melody. Let's go. Let me see what I'm gonna come up with. Oh, guys, sorry, the mistake. Yeah. Alright, guys, so now you see how I did on the simple drum pattern. That is a simple kicker and snare with a rim. If you want, you could add the last snare in the bottom, like this, in the end. Yeah, man. We're gonna add some hi-hat. And guys, I'm just gonna lay out, fill each two steps. That's what I'm gonna do. Fill each two steps, and we're gonna go into the pattern and edit it. Alright, guys, so guys, what you can do now, before you do that, listen to the beat carefully and figure out where you want to put the rolls, and then you can go up to the magnet right here, set it to a quarter step, and listen. So you see where the first rim hit, I'm gonna put a roll there. Listen to it first, listen to it. Nice, song and sweet. What you can do as well, you can lower the velocity, make it come in different. Listen. You don't want it too low though, because it's hard trap, kind of a dancehall melody. It have to, everything have to hit hard, you know. Next thing you can do, you can take this one, drop it down, couple semitones. Like I'll go for A. Seeing that A is in the key that I'm playing. And you can do this. Yeah man, this so you can let me see. Nah, I like this. Typing it so. I think I should, let me see. I think the highest flow will sound better a bit. Give it the most speed. Yeah man, that is it. Yeah man. Guys, take notes. Next thing I like to do, you just drop beats. You see those, see that two hi-hats there? Let me show you what I like to do. I like to roll both of them. Probably you can bring them down like this. Yeah man. Hey guys, tell me what his songs. Comment and tell me what his songs. Alright, we're gonna add I have a counter rim. I have a counter rim there, so we're gonna not a counter snare, counter rim. So we're gonna see where we can add the rim. Let's go guys. Let me see this. Songs. Yeah man. So guys, that is how you make a drum pattern for that melody. Yeah man, right now we're gonna head to the next melody. We're gonna head to the piano melody that's more smooth, more emotional right now. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this FLP in the description so you can use it. Yeah, and by the way, I'm using a Mac, so I don't really know about Mac and Windows, so I just trying to figure out if it will work on FL Studio for Windows. But I will leave the project, and if not, I could also leave the stems if you like. You can always come back to this video and comment that you'll need the stems, and I'll try to send you the stems or even the MIDI. Yeah. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna head to the next melody, and that's why this song is like. Yeah, man, smooth. All right, let's get to it. It's not a melody tutorial. All right, let's see how I'm gonna lead on these drums. Note that, guys, listen to the melody first to know how you're gonna lay out the drums. If it sounds like it's emotional, most of the times the drums kind of slow. Yeah, not too much being done in the drum patterns. So I'm gonna go with something slow. Simple, guys. Yeah, man. Guys, simple kick and snare. Kick and remember, not snare. Simple. All right, let's see how we're gonna add the hi-hats. Simple. Now I'm gonna go in the hi-hats now and see how we can make it a little more exciting. You know what I mean? I did change the ending there. I like it. Yeah, man. That sounds more like it. Oh, sorry, guys. Let me just grab this and bring it across. What you can do in the second half of the pattern, you can add a hi-hat like there, right there, so. Yeah, man, just to make it sound a little different. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys. So you saw how simple I do it? That's it, guys. Don't overdo it. You can watch the pattern right there. So let me shift out my pack section. As you can see, little being done. Yeah. You know what? Let me just add the counter rim somewhere where it can fit. Let me see. Yeah, man, sounding nice. You know want, I can still put, if I want, I could still put counter somewhere around there. So let me see. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I go. Yeah, man. Next thing you can do is like in the center there, ready remit in there. You could add a clap. Let me look for a clap. I'm gonna choose this one just for the sake of the tutorial and add it beneath this room right there. Listen to that. Yeah, man. Hey, just imagine a little bass beneath the melody and your beat is done. So guys, I hope you'll take notes today. And next time, I'm gonna do a much better video than that. I just wanted to get this video out because a lot of people have been asking me about the drums. Like sometimes they make a melody and the drums is too fast or the drums is too slow. Yeah, so I say I had to just get this video out quick so you can see my process that I use to make drums. Sometimes it's much more complicated than that because I add more perks on different rims for them open hats. Yeah, but basically that's how I make my drum patterns. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment what video you all want to see next. I really love to do the next video for you all. And if there's any producer that's much better than me in doing drums, please comment below and tell me if I'm doing something wrong, or if you all can do it better and want to show me, just yeah, make me know. So guys, I'm gonna leave this FLP in the description. If not, I will leave the FLP in the description, plus I'll try to leave the media as well, you know. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Pick up yourself. Joe Beats. I'm out.